Storm, better in every way. The Storm Trowl Door is designed for maximum performance with exceptional spreading power, outstanding stability and strength, extending far beyond what can be expected. To meet your specific requirements, it is possible to adapt the Trowl Door's performance by adjusting its towing points. By adjusting the towing point horizontally, you either decrease the spreading force of the doors by moving the towing point forward, or increase the spreading force by moving the towing point back. When adjusting the towing point vertically, you can either make the doors tilt inwards when you move the shackle up, or outwards when you move the shackle down. On the back of the doors, you can also make various adjustments on the doors. By moving top and bottom shackles forward, you increase the spreading force. When moving the shackles back, you decrease the spreading force. To tilt the doors more outward, you should shorten the upper chain. To tilt the door more inward, you should shorten the lower chain. Moving the upper chain forward will make the aft keel sink downward. Moving the lower chain back will make the aft keel sink downward even closer to the bottom. Moving the upper chain back will make the front keel sink downward. Moving the lower chain forward will make the front keel sink even further downward. An option is also to use a third chain, which will help the doors to spread the troll faster when shooting away. The chain forces the troll door to keep a certain angle of attack and will keep the upper and lower chains slack. When the troll doors are on the bottom, the middle chain will be slack and it will have no function. When adjusting your troll doors, we recommend that you do it step by step and link by link. Vonin. We make fishing more profitable.